Hi, and welcome to the We Gonna Make It podcast show. The podcast where we explore the cutting edge of technology, culture, and art. Today we're diving into a topic that's been generating a lot of buzz in the music industry: the role of artificial intelligence in music creation. From remote collaborations to generative music and the ever-growing influence of AI. We'll explore how musicians and producers are reacting to this new frontier and what it means for the future of music. So sit back, relax, and let's dive in. While it might seem like AI in music is a relatively new phenomenon, its roots go back to the work of scientist Alan Turing in 1950s and the first computer-generated composition, the Iliac suite in 1958. Moreover, recently, artists like Brian Eno have been experimenting with generative music systems for decades now. So AI and music have a long history together, but it's only recently that the conversation is intensified. There's no denying that AI is changing the way we create music, but not everyone is on board with this idea. Many musicians and producers feel threatened by the rise of AI in music, fearing that it could make their skills and careers obsolete. Some even argue that using AI to create music is cheating, raising ethical questions around the ability and accessibility in the world of art. Despite the skepticism, there's a growing number of artists who view AI as a valuable collaborative tool. Artists like Taron Southern, Holly Herndon, and British band Feral 5 have all used AI to create and enhance their music. With countless AI tools available today such as Amper, Jukebox, and Google's Magenta, it's clear that AI is here to stay in the world of music. But can it truly create an entire song on its own? Well, not quite yet. AI still requires human input and expertise to create and program the machines that generate music. And what about the lyrical side of things? There are AI programs like ChatGPT that can generate lyrics in style of a particular artist or form. Iconic songwriter Nick Cave has criticized AI-generated lyrics as a grotesque mockery of human experience. Moreover, there are concerns about potential copyright issues if AI becomes better at generating music or the lyrics that resemble work of a specific artist. We're going to talk about this in more detail in the segments ahead. Alright, continuing our previous topic, let's deep dive into the world of legal issues around AI-generated music. Now, artificial intelligence has been a topic of discussion in the music industry for quite a while, and its impact has grown exponentially in the recent years. With AI now being utilized for direct creation tools such as Google's Magenta or ChatGPT, questions of copyright and legal ownership arise. The current legal precedent suggests that AI cannot be the author of copyrighted works, as copyright protection requires human authorship. However, the extent of human creative input needed to make AI-generated musical works copyrightable remains undefined. So the US Copyright Office has granted copyright protection in cases where AI was only partially used and human creative input was deemed sufficient. The challenge lies in determining how much of input or intervention by an AI user is necessary for each work to qualify for copyright protection. Misrepresenting the use of AI in music generation can lead to fraudulent claims, and as AI detecting software becomes more prevalent, the Copyright Office and future litigants will likely verify the extent of AI usage in generating musical works. A key legal battleground in AI-generated music is the training of AI software, as it often relies on ingestion of copyrighted content. Copyright owners argue that using their works as input for the AI models violates their exclusive rights, while AI advocates claim the use of such data falls under fair use exception. So we've understood what the dilemma is, how artists and producers are being affected, how legal implications are entering into the system, and now let's look at how it's transforming various aspects of music creation, consumption, and education. So AI-assisted compositions. AI is creating music autonomously, generating original melodies, harmonies, and rhythms, which is inspiring composers and democratizing music production, making it more accessible for aspiring musicians. AI algorithms are analyzing users' listening habits better and moods to provide personalized recommendations through music streaming applications like Spotify, Apple Music, etc. AI-powered softwares can now analyze and process audio files, optimizing the final sound by applying equalization, compression, and other effects, making mastering more accessible for independent musicians and producers. AI-driven apps like Musician, Simply Piano provide personalized learning experience for students, offering instant feedback and customized practice routines that make learning more engaging and effective. AI algorithms can perform music transcription, converting audio recordings into written notations or MIDI files, and analyze music data to identify patterns and characteristics of various applications. So what does the future hold for AI in music? Well, there are concerns about losing the traditional process of songwriting and the potential for exploitation of AI technology. Many in the industry see AI as an opportunity to speed up the creative process and push the boundaries of their art. As with any new technology, the power lies in the hands of people using it. AI isn't going away anytime soon, and it's up to musicians and producers to adapt and harness its potential for good. And that wraps up our exploration of AI in music. As we've seen, it's a complex and controversial topic, but one that's sure to continue shaping the music industry for years to come. Will AI ever truly replace human artists? Only time will tell. But for now, it seems that AI is more of a tool than a threat. Thank you for joining us on We Gonna Make It podcast show. We'll see you in the next one with more insights in the world of emerging tech. Goodbye and take care.